how to attract serious offers to your luxury home. Are you tired of lowball offers that don't reflect the true grandeur of your luxury home? I'm Jeff Russell with Russell Realty Group here at eXp Realty, and I know that selling a home isn't just a transaction. It's about securing the right offer. The secret? It's not just about listing the home. It's about positioning it through precise market, exclusive networking, and an unmatched insight into the luxury market. My digital marketing strategy is built to attract serious, qualified buyers, those who recognize value and are ready to act. Together, we'll make your estate the jewel of the Southern California market. No more lowball offers. No more wasted time. If you're ready to elevate your listing, command attention, and receive offers worthy of your exquisite home, let's talk. Thanks for watching.